Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. Right now we can see that Bitcoin is getting a nice bit of upside at the moment. We just closed our trade at break even. As we can see, that Bitcoin price is still very bullish. Even with this red money flow, we got a green dot confirmation with this nice reversal today, and now we could very easily keep pumping towards the upside. So be very careful if you are getting into shorts at these lower levels. You want to short the highs, but Bitcoin could very easily keep running towards the upside. Again, if it goes up to these levels right here that I've outlined, right around the $30,000 to $30,700 mark, I will be looking to get into some potential short positions, but we will see when we get there. At the moment, Bitcoin is trying to break past this $28,750 mark, and if it is going to break past this level, then you got your next psychological level at 30,000. All right, let's take a look at market side for daily time frame. We can see that we have a 14 and a 13, well, 13 and a -3 yesterday, and right now we have a 14 and a -3 on the DBSI, looking very bullish right now. Let's take a look at Wave Edge. Again, Wave Edge did print a a green cross here, signaling a potential long position, and you guys can see, since we are in such a strong uptrend at the moment, that was the long to take, and right now Bitcoin is up 7% since then. Let's see what we got on the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we did get a red cross, but right now nothing showing that we have topped out yet, because the MACD almost crossed but didn't cross after this pump. So it looks like we are going to get a slight bit more upside. And again, a bit of an announcement for everyone, I'm going to start doing copy trading again, but this is probably going to come out with some certain rules and terms probably, but we'll have to see. But anyways, it's going to be on BitGet, so if you guys want to sign up, the link is in the description. Sign up on BitGet Trading, and then you'll be able to follow my exact trades. And wow, look at that, Bitcoin is just pumping towards the upside right now. Very beautiful to see. Let's take a look at these altcoins as well. Altcoins are in the green, very nice to see. HBAR is down -3%. Oh well, you can't win them all, right? We do have a trade on HBAR, but we have multiple long positions on a bunch of other altcoins as well. So when Bitcoin keeps moving towards the upside, we are going to cash out those altcoin positions as well, and we're going to take those gains. Let's take a look at the S&P today. The S&P got a nice pump towards the upside. Again, very low volume. However, if the markets want to keep going up, let them go up. You can see that the volume right now is consistently being reduced every time we go up, and man, oh man, was this a low volume day today. I think this might have been the lowest volume year to date. Let's do year to date. Yeah, we got the lowest volume year to date. Maybe this one right here, Monday, January 16, was probably competing with this amount of volume, but overall extremely low. And when the volume is low, the market is either going to float up towards the upside or it is going to trend sideways. And my guess is that the volume is probably going to remain low until maybe that mid part of April, or until we make contact with this maybe upper trend line right here, right around this this orange trend line and this white trend line. I think we could very easily come back up and double top, and then potentially start to roll over once we get there. Anyways, I'll actually show you guys what my username is right now on BitGet Trading. So let me just pull it up, and it should be right there. So BitGet Trading, my username is probably gonna be, it's Mickey right now, but I'll keep you guys up to date if I change it or not. I'm just in a small trade right now, doing a test trade. I'm already up 100 USDT, up 8%. I'm only using 5x. So again, I'm gonna be using a little bit lower leverage, because last time we did copy trading, a lot of people complained and the leverage was too high, or they were setting the leverage higher themselves, which caused a lot of problems. And again, I don't want to do that, so I want it problem free. So we're going to do low leverage but consistent gains, and that's what I'm going to be looking for. All right, let's take a look at WTI right here. Oil again got rejected right at this trend line right here. We weren't able to break above it. Again, this trend line starts from right here, this pivot high from November 2022, and it goes down right here, down sloping, and we actually broke out of it but weren't able to hold it as support, and we broke back down. Now we're retesting it as resistance, If we can break past above it and go up to 75, then we are going to start to come back down and potentially retest the lows of $65. And again, if the lows of 65 do not hold, then you're going to go significantly lower. I got some lower targets. First one is at 57 right here. Excuse me. I'm okay. That's not a bullish burp. I'm just coughing. But yeah, ultimately, I got a target around 57. But if we go lower, I got another target level right around 45. All right, let's take a look at natural gas here. Nat gas, again, getting a slight update today. You guys can see on the daily candle, we actually got all the way down to a double bottom here on nat gas, and we are printing a red candle in the overnight. But we're gonna have to see how the markets open tomorrow. Are we gonna open in green? Are we gonna open in the red? What I want you guys to pay attention to is take a look at the weekly time frame. Look at that MACD. It's almost about to cross. We are almost there, and we are now forming a bit of a bullish divergence on the weekly RSI. However, take a look at the monthly time frame. The monthly time frame is deep in that red on the MACD, so it could mean that we could potentially see some lower lows in that gas. If this low does not hold, then we are going to go to potentially $1.70. But ultimately, I'm betting on this potentially being our bottom here, but we're gonna have to see. We're gonna have to see how this one plays out, because the downtrend is very strong in that gas, and if this ABC wave does not play out, then you're going to get a significant amount of downside from here. Let's take a look at gold very quickly. Gold, again, getting into some resistance right around $22,000. Again, this was not today, but today was a bit of a flat day in gold. Not too much action because the VIX is starting to drop now, and you're seeing that money flow back into risk assets. You saw the NASDAQ get a nice pump today, I believe. Yeah, it was up over 1.79%. Very nice to see that as well. If the NASDAQ breaks out from here, then you are going to head to 13,500. Again, that's going to be my next major level of resistance for the NASDAQ. And again, if we get there, I'm going to add to my short positions on tech stocks and the indices as well. All right, I think I want to cover maybe the DXY, and then we'll go back to Bitcoin and see what it's doing. DXY is actually looking like a potential little bit of a double bottom formation here. You guys can see your nice little bit of a double bottom. If it starts to break back up towards the upside, your resistance is going to be at 104.09. There we go. And again, feel free to join the Discord, guys. I post my trade alerts and all that stuff inside. For the gold members, if you guys don't want to become a gold member, that's fine. I offer free trades as well. You guys can go to the trade section right here. Whoops, there we go. I'll just pull up the Discord for you guys. You guys can head over to the Mickey trades, and again, I post free trades here. Again, closing some profits on WTI just the other day, and closing some more profits on natural gas. I believe sometimes around here. I forget where it was, but overall, you guys can scroll up, and you'll be able to find all my free trades right there. But if you want to become a gold member, you get access to my options trades, stock trades, and crypto trades as well. All right, let's keep going. Let's take a look at Bitcoin here once again. And I actually wanted to pull up this chart. I think it was this chart, or no, I wanted to take a look at the CME futures for Bitcoin, because I wanted to show you guys that we still have a gap fill to be filled right around here, right around $35,000. So if Bitcoin does end up breaking past this level, you are going to run into some resistance right around here, right around the $31,000 to $32,000 mark. But if you're able to get above that, remember, you have a very nice gap fill opportunity right around 35,800, and that's going to be where I'm going to be placing a huge short position if we get there, and I'll keep you guys up to date inside the Discord. But yeah, I think that's all I wanted to cover on Bitcoin for today. Let's just see how everything's going to open up tomorrow. Things are looking very bullish for Bitcoin right now. You can see that the market cipher is printing some very bullish candles. Even on the 4-hour time frame, you cut into the red money flow just slightly, but you got to print to the green dot on that momentum wave, and it's been off to the races ever since. All right, guys, thanks for listening. You guys are awesome. Love you all. Thank you so much for your support. We're at 18,200 subscribers. Once we get to 25,000 subscribers, we are going to do a huge giveaway. All right, look at that. Bitcoin to 29,000. Keep it moving. Love you all. Peace.